SHIB and Doge bark back. Every dog has its day. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu fetch 50% gains as altcoins rally. New use cases and a massive token burn signal that the dog days of summer could be over for Doge and SHIB. Momentum in the wider cryptocurrency market appears to be on the upswing after bulls pushed Bitcoin, BTC, priced to $46,700, and Ether, ETH, priced to $3,150. The growing optimism has also translated into a bounce in dog-themed meme coins like Dogecoin, Doge, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, which have both seen their prices rise by more than 55% over the past 3 weeks. Dogecoin leads the pack. Dogecoin's trend reversal began on July 20th, the same day that Bitcoin price hit a bottom at $29,500, as the price of Doge reached a low of 16 cents before correcting its course and heading higher. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that the price of Doge rallied 78% from a low of $0.159 on July 20th to swing high at $0.284 on August 8th, as its 24-hour trading volume surged to $9.3 billion. Dog-themed meme coins caught fire earlier in the year after Dogecoin became the altcoin of choice for influencers like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin further rocked the boat on May 14th when he liquidated trillions of SHIB coins and donated the proceeds to charity. At the time, investors viewed this as further bullish validation, but both projects had been in a rut since the Bitcoin-led market crash that took place on May 19th. Dogecoin's recovery got off to a quick start on July 21st, following an announcement from Coinbase Commerce that Doge could now be used for payments. Shiba Inu developers implement a token burn. Shiba Inu's recovery also began on July 20th, after SHIB dropped to a low of $0.000057 amid the market-wide sell-off. In the 3 weeks since its price bottom, SHIB has seen a threefold increase in its 24-hour trading volume, which was followed by a 56% price rally to a weekly high at $0.0000888 on August 8th. The spike in price came after developers announced that a new burning mechanism would be included with new listings on the Shiba Swap exchange. The token burns aim to reduce the circulating supply of SHIB and the protocol's Doge killer, Leash token. After missing out in crypto reversal, two coins have bounced back. Cryptocurrencies have changed direction in the last few weeks after being on a strong bearish trend for a few months. They stopped declining in July, meaning that they were not making lower lows, which was the first sign of a bullish reversal before the big shift higher. Stranger cryptocurrencies, such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin, were feeling even more bearish during their decline and were unable to make any bounces, especially in July. They even missed out on the crypto reversal at the end of July, showing no signs of life whatsoever until the end of last week. Is it a 40% rise for Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu price is currently retesting the $0.0000759 and $0.0000727 support levels. A convincing bounce from those footholds is likely to propel SHIB by 40% to $0.0000101. If bears push below the $0.0000625 demand barrier, this will invalidate the bullish thesis. Shiba Inu price moved out of its long-standing consolidation as it shot up explosively over the past day. While the bulls could not sustain this flight, a minor retracement has pushed SHIB down to support levels where it currently trades. Shiba Inu price awaits massive gains. Shiba Inu price consolidated between $0.0000625 and $0.0000654 for roughly 16 days, eventually leading to a 45% upswing. As impressive as this run-up was, it failed to follow through, which has pushed SHIB down to the $0.0000759 and $0.0000727 support levels. Considering the entire market structure of the cryptocurrency market, investors can expect an impulsive move soon. Assuming such a blast-off occurs, Shiba Inu price will shatter the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 0.0000870 and attempt to retest the high probability reversal zone extending from 0.0000955 to 0.0001070. While it's unlikely that the Shiba Inu price will tag the upper limit of this range, the 70.5% Fibonacci retracement level at 0.0001010 seems reasonable for a retest. From the 0.0000727 support barrier, this climb would constitute a 40% ascent. Will Dogecoin break the resistance? Will bulls push it past 30 cents? Doge price has been slow compared to its performance in the beginning of the year. Even though it has revived nearly 77% from its low, you would expect a stronger move to occur eventually. The overall cryptocurrency market has been surging the last week, and Doge price may just be one of the last to go. Much of Doge's previous rally was fueled from hype and social media influencing, so we do have to question the use case and stability of a coin that was driven up mostly by hype and culture. Throughout the past 3 weeks, Doge has been trading within an ascending channel. Each time price hit a trend, Doge got sent to the opposite of the channel. Just over the past day, price experienced one of these rejections at the top trend. Dogecoin set to extend its rally as cryptos trade strong. Dogecoin has been on the uptrend since the beginning of last month, and this week saw the momentum strengthen even further. Experts foresee the leading meme coin making more highs in the coming sessions, enjoying support from the positive market sentiment prevalent in the crypto sector, as well as several encouraging developments. Meanwhile, in terms of increasing its adoption rates and acceptance, the Dogecoin community is trying to catch US-based movie chain AMC Entertainment's eye lately, ever since the company announced that it was planning to start accepting payments in Bitcoin by the end of 2021. Doge's users are trying to convince AMC to consider the popular meme coin as a valid payment option as well. The rally in Doge is expected to continue further, as per the forecast of a popular crypto analyst, the Crypto Dog. According to him, the increased trading volume would drive up liquidity in Doge in the coming sessions. Crypto investor and entrepreneur David Goldstein, who believes that the most popular meme coin could surpass $1, shared a similar forecast. Dogecoin continued to move higher, while Bitcoin declined towards the $45,000 level. The world's leading cryptocurrency failed to settle above the resistance at $46,000 and moves towards $45,000 as traders took some profits off the table after the upside move, which pushed Bitcoin from $37,300 to $46,700. Why Doge continues barking? Dogecoin is at a somewhat limited supply, with 130.8 billion coins outstanding and 5 billion introduced into circulation every year. That means all that is needed for the price of the coin to go up is for the sum of capital inflows and merchant transactions to beat the 3.8% inflation rate. In addition, Dogecoin is far more environmentally friendly than Bitcoin. The network uses an auxiliary proof-of-work mechanism, where those who mine other currencies such as Litecoin can simultaneously mine Doge at no cost. What's more, the small inflationary nature of Doge keeps the mining difficulty, and by proxy electricity use, low. For those reasons, investors can speculate with a small amount of capital on a crypto asset.
That's all for today. If you have any question regarding crypto, do not hesitate to reach out to us in the comments section. To continue enjoying more of our crypto videos, kindly subscribe to our channel. Do us a favor by liking, commenting, and sharing our content with friends or across social media channels.